Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch and phone have charge and Bluetooth is on. Open the Companion app on your phone and install its watch extension if required. This creates the communication channel. Once done, pair the watch to the phone through the app rather than system settings when possible, because the app manages audio routing. You'll see a microphone permission prompt. Grant it so audio can pass. Now confirm the watch shows a connected mic or remote control icon before moving on. Next, you configure audio routing so the watch is actually used as the microphone. In the app, pick the watch as the audio input device. On some phones, you'll need to open the call or recorder settings and select the watch. Then test sensitivity. Speak at normal volume and lower or raise gain until levels sit in the middle of the meter. Make sure competing apps are closed and enable Do Not Disturb to prevent interruptions. If latency appears, switch codecs or enable low latency mode in the Companion app. Finally, verify everything by recording a short clip and listening back on headphones. This confirms clarity and that the watch is capturing your voice. If you hear dropouts, repair the watch and phone, then retest. Make sure firmware and app updates are installed because many fixes live there. If audio still fails, restart the app and check microphone permissions on the phone. If that does not help, reboot both devices. Troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often resolves routing and latency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.